Alone in a Crowd is an album by Catch-22 and the first release featuring the band's second lineup, featuring Jeff Davidson as lead vocalist, replacing Tomas Kalnoky. The album features a song trilogy, What Goes Around Comes Around, Bloomfield Avenue and Neverending Story, which follows two young lovers who commit multiple acts of homicide on a cross-country spree before finally succumbing to their own personal demons. Themes on the album include a longing for childhood and home, and a general feeling of alienation from the rest of the world. The end of the album features 7 blank tracks, each 22 seconds long, followed by a bonus track that starts after 22 seconds of silence, bringing the album to a total of 22 tracks. To promote the album, the band made a music video for Point the Blame, the album's first single. However, due to financial problems, the video was never completed. On January 30, 2016, Jeff Davidson joined the band to perform the album in full at Starland Ballroom in Sayreville, New Jersey. Track listing: all tracks written by Jeff Davidson and Ryan Eldred, unless otherwise noted. If you take the seconds of the CD length and subtract the minutes from it, the difference is 22, adding to the other, almost subliminal, 22s found throughout the album. Personnel: Pat Case, bass guitar; Mike Soprano, trombone, vocals; Ryan Eldred, saxophone, vocals; Chris Greer, drum kit; Kevin Gunther, trumpet, vocals; Pat Calpin, guitar; Jeff Davidson, vocals. References: